Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening TikTok and tapping the plus to record or upload a clip. This is where sticker work begins. Record or pick your clip, trim to the main moment, and then tap stickers. Grant any camera or microphone permissions if prompted, because TikTok needs them to preview interactions. Pick a sticker type: emoji, GIF, poll, or link. Once done, you'll see stickers overlaid on the video. This first step sets up placement and timing for everything that follows, so be precise. Now you refine placement, size, and timing. Tap a sticker to move it, pinch to resize, and use 2 fingers to rotate. Position matters because viewers read faces and captions first. Use the sticker timeline at the bottom to set exact start and stop times, and layer multiple stickers for depth. Move layers forward or back to avoid covering key action. Make adjustments, then preview the clip to confirm stickers don't include text or faces. If something looks off, tweak opacity or timing until it feels natural. Finish by previewing the full video and saving a draft if you want a final check. Make sure interactive stickers like polls or link tags respond when tapped. Adjust captions so they don't overlap interactive areas and confirm accessibility. Add alt text or clear visual cues as needed. When ready, post. If stickers don't appear or behave oddly, force close the app, clear cache, or reinstall. Make sure your app is up to date and that you're not hitting regional feature restrictions as the primary troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.